Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go there.
Mommy,
Hairy belly.
you're playing. Oh. I hate you.
Can I post your vlog video on
I will
Facebook?
cry. I will literally cry. No.
Really? Why?
Because I'm fucking ugly.
Are you gonna cry? Oh, I was focusing it on your finger. There you go. Look at it. You're gonna see how good your camera is. That was beautiful. The butt that you don't have.
You're so mean.
I thought she had a medias.
I changed. Oh. Look at this shit.
You got married?
Yeah,
I
she
can see your hairy knuckles.
We're getting married.
No one should already have a ring. Where's
Yeah,
your
I gave
wedding?
it to her.
Okay, you
She's
have a
kidding.
ring too.
Yeah, it's the same one. See? Look at.
Why would you tell her that?
What?
What do you mean what?
Thought I was getting married?
No, about the ring.
Oh, well, she already knows.
No, she didn't know. No one knew. But my
It's a
sister.
best friend ring.
What's this?
No, I got it out of that 25-cent thing. Go away!
I love this. Like, if this was mine, like, I'll be recording everyone.
We should do it to Vanessa in her sleep.
We should do it to Vanessa right now.
She's here?
Is she?
No.
Hmm.
Why was she back this early?
Look what happened to my iPod, Yvette.
What happened now?
Do you care to tell her the story?
It fell
When?
off the thingy mo blingy. Horror alert on your phone, Mommy.
Huh?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You just had me from the fanboy.
Wait, Yvette. Oh my god, this is horrible.
Can you, like, turn off my phone?
My phone.
My phone.
My phone, I will turn it off whenever I feel like it. Did you see that? Did anybody see that?
Stop.
Oh, let's see if we can see your toes. Can we see your toes?
No.
Come on. No one's gonna see this.
See your toes.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No one's gonna see this.
Yummy, you're so fucked up to me. You take advantage of me with my own phone.
Why you hold your toes?
This isn't my
Oh,
song.
it's because she has her toes gray.
Where's my song?
I don't
Give me
know.
my song.
I gave you it.
That's your song.
That's not my song.
That's not mine.
I don't know.
That's his song.
That is yours. You just took it off. Move.
It's not yours.
See,
It's
was
this
it.
one.
No, Mommy, my sock was like this.
What the hell?
This is your socks. Because they're the high ones. But okay, I like this sock. Oh, how the hell did I get over here?
Yvette hit it.
Ew.
Damn, look at shit. You sussy mama.
A quarter.
Oh, let me zoom in on that corner.
Oh, God.
Come here, Yvette. Let's see your flaws. Look how chapped your lips are. Look at so you can see your ugly.
Her green teeth. No, I'm just kidding.